In this video, you'll learn how to search for, register, and drop your NIC classes within self-service. To start, go to nic.edu and then select MyNIC in the upper left-hand corner. This tutorial is meant for students registering using a laptop, but you can also register using your smartphone. Just be aware that your layout might look slightly different. Log into your MyNIC account to get started. If you need help logging in or you forgot your password, call the NIC IT Help Desk at the number on your screen. This is the MyNIC home screen. It might look slightly different for you, but that's okay. You need to find and select the self-service icon. If you don't see it, go up to the search bar and search self-service to make it appear, and then select it. This is the self-service homepage. Again, yours might look slightly different with more or less options. We need to pull up the course catalog. To do that, look for the 3 white lines in the upper left-hand corner of your screen and select it. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on the small arrow by academics, then select Course Catalog. The course catalog allows you to search by different criteria to find your classes. For example, if you want to search for Spring 2025 InPerson Math classes, you can specify using the Catalog Advanced search. You can also modify the search criteria to filter by subject, in-person or online classes, the day of the week the class is offered, or the course type, such as a GEM course. In this video, we're searching for an in-person math course in the Spring 2025 semester on the main NIC campus. This screen shows all our available options based on the search criteria we used. There is a lot of important information on the results list, but the most important is the instructional methods, which is how the class is taught, meeting information, which tells us what time the class meets and where, and faculty listing, which tells us the name of the instructor teaching the course. To plan the class to your schedule, select the blue Add button on the left side. A window will pop up with more information about the class. Pay special attention to the dates section. NIC offers 16, 12, and 8-week classes. The dates will tell you what day the class starts and what day it ends. If you are ready to plan the class, click Add section. Please note that planning a class does not mean you have registered for the class. Next, let's add a science class with a lab section. To do this, select Back to Course Catalog in the upper left-hand corner. Search for the Spring 2025 semester and select Biology, then select Search. We're looking for a class and a lab which have to be planned separately, so pay close attention to the section name and title to make sure you are selecting the corresponding lab to your lecture. Once you have found a lecture you wish to plan, select Add, then Add section. Remember, you have not registered yet. Now, add your matching lab at a time and date that works with your schedule by selecting Add and then Add section. Once all of your classes are planned, it's time to register. Navigate to the upper left corner and select Academics. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Student Planning. Then select Go to Plan and Schedule. Make sure you are looking at the semester you're trying to register for by selecting the arrows to navigate to Spring 2025. A quick glance at the screen shows something is not right. The Biology 100 course overlaps with the Math 123 course. To remedy this, you can look at alternative class times by selecting View Other sections. You'll see different classes available, and you can even get a visual look on the calendar to see when the class meets. Select the course that aligns with your schedule and hit Add section. Next, remove the course that has the conflicting schedule by selecting X in the corner. Repeat the course planning process as many times as you need to craft a course schedule that aligns with your schedule and helps you complete your degree requirements. Once you are ready to fully register, hit the blue Register Now button in the upper right-hand corner. It's important to register using the blue Register Now button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen because classes with lab components must be registered at the same time. Selecting classes individually using the left-hand side of the screen will result in an error message and you will not be able to register for the class if it has a required lab component. To drop classes, select the blue Drop button on the left-hand side of the screen of the class you wish to deregister from. A pop-up message will appear reminding you to talk with your advisor before dropping a class. If you are receiving federal financial aid or a scholarship, Dropping a class could have repercussions, and you should confirm with your advisor or Cardinal Central before doing so. Select the section you want to drop. If you are planning to drop a science course with a lab, you must select both sections so you can drop them at the same time. Once you have your sections checked, select Update. A good rule of thumb to know if you have successfully dropped from your sections is if the calendar view is all yellow. Green means you're registered for the class, yellow means the class is planned but not registered. Be sure to contact your advisor or Cardinal Central if you have questions or need assistance registering for classes. Have a great semester, Cardinals!